Hi guys, I'm glad that you proceed to this video. Previously, we have learned the first 3 rows of initials, and today we will be learning the 4th row, J, Q, and X. These rows create a lot of confuse for non-Chinese. I'll show you why. Okay, J is G, pronounced as G. Qi, this is qi, and a lot of non-Chinese will pronounce something like q, q, q. For example, qi and yu should be qi and yu, so it's qu. So usually non-Chinese will find it hard to remember. They will come out the sound as kui, kui, ku, kui, something like that, but it is not right. So you have to remember this is qi, qi. So Q pronounced as qi, and this one also a lot of confuse around this. C, this is C, ji, qi, si. So let's go. Match them with A, E, I, O, U, and Yu, and not all A, E, I, O, U, and Yu. Okay. A, oh sorry, Q, E, no, there isn't such a thing. Q, O, oops. Q, U, Q, U. I, O, U, U. Jia, no such thing. Z, no. Okay, so the first one is Ji, E, Ji, Ji, E, Ji. And how about the fourth ones? Ji, 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 Ji. So for this one, for example, Ji, 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 Ji. So look at this, the fourth tone, first tone, second tone, third tone, and the fourth tone. And when you replace the tone, you are placing the tone on top of I, this dot, the small dot on top of I will be replaced by the tone. Ji, 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 ji. This one, no. No. Okay. Ji, yu, ju. When yu and z match together, these two dots will be removed. It's redundant because when you write ZU, you would automatically know that this is yu instead of u, because this one does not exist. So this is pronounced as ji, yu, ju, 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 ju. Okay, let's say ju, 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 ju. Sorry for my handwriting, it's a bit ugly. Okay, ju, 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 ju. And the next row, qi, yi, qi, 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 qi. 起立的起. Same thing. Replace, the dot is replaced by the tone, 声调的那个调号. 调号. This one is called 调号. It's replacing the dot of I. So 起立的起, this is 起. And you pronounce this word as 起. And how do you indicate this sound? By writing Q and I with the tone, third tones. Qi, yi, qi, 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 qi. Okay, and this one, same thing. When it comes to ji, qi, si with the yu, these two dots can be removed. So it would become qi, qu, 取和去，去取取去。And the last one, C E C. So it's easy now for you. C C C C C C C C. This one does not exist. And same thing, you can remove these two dots because U and X will have no such match. Xu, 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 xu. So for today's takeaway is 叽叽叽叽，居居居居，西西西西，七七七七 ，sorry，曲曲曲曲，西西西西，虚虚虚虚 ，because this is 鸡七西。Okay, I hope you get a point. Try to remember 鸡七西 and then practice reading all the four matches. Okay, see you next time.